I1 grade 8 students. After a long time, because of that is the special occasions, he was unable to conduct to his schools in formal way. But we want to study it now. No? Therefore, I thought that to start the second term by small video clips. You know that we are successfully complete the first term we are successfully complete, but now we want to start the second term. Yes. So according to this situation, I think that send the small video clips to cover the lessons little by little through the WhatsApps. Please follow that, my dear son. Right? So in second term, first lesson is symmetry, but I am not doing the symmetry lessons now because of it has many activities are there. But it is somewhat difficult to do this video clips because of with this by using the smartphone also. So I decided that to start the next lesson, lesson 12, triangle and quadrilaterals. So today our subtopic is triangle. Right? What is the triangle? What's meant by the triangles? Right? We can define the triangle as a polygon form, straight line segment. Polygon form, straight line segment. That is a close one, right? Like this, right? Like this. This is a triangle. You know that already. You know that a polygon form with 3 straight line segment is called triangle, right? I will give these notes, right? I will send notes to you for that definition. So, introducing further triangles, right? You want to identify the classification of the triangles. Classification of the triangles. Mainly 2 categories. According to length of the side, according to the angles. According to the length of the sides, according to the angle. You know that, right? This is a triangle A, B, C. Though these are the sides. These are the sides. Right? As well as this triangle A, B, C. These are the angle of the triangles. Right? Firstly, we discuss about according to length of the side. Right? I will send the notes. Right? See here. Because of I do is easily for you. Right? The triangle. First one is equilateral triangle. Name is equilateral triangle according to the length. See here, ABC is a triangle. The special feature is AB side equal to BC side and equal to AC side. That means length of all 3 sides are equal. This type of triangle we call that equilateral triangles. See other one, somewhat difference from this, right? AB equal to AC, right? But BC is not equal to other both sides. So length of 2 sides are equal. We call that isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles. Length of 2 sides are equal. Right? Other one. See, ABC triangle is here. AB side, AC side and BC side. You can see that these 3 sides are not equal to each other. That means all 3 sides are unequal. That type of triangles we call that scalene triangles. Scalene triangles. That is the classification of the triangles according to length of the side. First one is equilateral. That means 3 sides are equal to each other. Isosceles, next one. two sides are equal to each other. Other one is scalar triangles. All three sides are unequal. Next, according to the angles. Did you remember that angle? Already we studied now. 5 types of angle are there. Right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Right? According to this concept, this base, we identify 3 types of triangles. First one is acute angle. Acute angle, see here, angle A, angle B, angle C are there. The magnitude of each angle is less than. If the less than, how much? 90 degrees. If the 90 degrees less than angles, we call that acute angle. Already we studied. Other one is obtuse angle. Right? In A, B, C is the triangle. You can see this angle is more than, greater than to 90. You remember that obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90, we call that obtuse angle. Yes, the magnitude of one angle is greater than 90, we call that obtuse angle. Third one, last one in categorization under the angles. Right angle, you know the right angle. The right angle means the angle should be 90 degrees. Yes, so ABC triangle are there. ABC angle is 90 degrees, notated like this. The magnitude of one angle is 90 degrees. We call that right angle. That is the short definition. You can understand now according to the length, equilateral. Next one, isosceles, scalar. Other one is according to the angles, acute, obtuse, right. These are the categorization of classification of the angle. Next, my dear son, we want to study another concept. It is the essential that to our exercises. It is very essential that for our exercises. There is a theorem. What is the theorem? Internal angles of the triangles. That means 3 angles are there now. Sum of the 3 interior angles of the triangle 180 degrees. 180 degrees. This is the triangle. I name as A, B, C. What are the interior angles? Those are the interior angles. The angles inside. Right? Angles inside. Other one we study after that. Those are the external angles. Not we are considering this stage. These are the interior angles. The theory are there. The total sum of these 3 angles should be 180. That is a theory. Right? That is a theory. According to that theory, we want to discuss solve some problems. We want to give answer for the exercises. Right? That means A, B, C angle plus A, C, B angle, this one, plus B, A, C angle should be 180. That is the theory. Right? According to that theory, we want to solve some exercises. We want to solve some problem. Understand? Previously we discussed some definition for the angle. What is the angle? Categorization of angle. Now we are studying some theory. What is theorem? The sum of the 3 angles in triangles should be 180 degrees. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle 180 degrees. That is the theory. I will send the note for you like that. So, depending this, right, we want to solve some exercise. First example. This is a triangle, right? Some A, B, C. Right? I mark that 45 degrees in this angle. Other one is 35 degrees. This one is unknown constants, X, unknown X's. Now, normally type shape of these type of exercises, we want to find the value of the X, right? Remember that the theory once should be this angle plus this angle plus this angle should be total 180 degrees side. Shall we write like this? 45 degrees plus 35 degrees plus X degrees equal 180. Now we want to find the X, right? It is easy now. You all remember that last time we discussed algebraic expressions, right? With unknown constant. Now we want to find these unknown constants. Therefore, we use that former theory we already studied, right? Firstly, we want to press a step. Simply, I want to add this. How much? 80 degrees plus X equal 180. You all remember that. Now we want to remove this 80 in this side to remove this 80 degrees in this side, remaining X. You know that to remove this 80, we want to subtract 80 degrees from this equation, right? 80, right? As well as you know that if we doing any arithmetic operation into one side of the equation, right? That operation also should be done in other side. Should be done in other side. Therefore, we want to remove this 80, so we subtract 80, so that therefore we want to subtract another 80, right? Next 80 from this side, right? This side. So 80 subtract 80 0, remaining X here. 180 subtract 80 means 100. Right? The answer is X equal 100 degrees. X equal 100 degrees. I think you are going to understand. Right. Shall we try? Right. I will clean and I will give this example. The answers through the WhatsApp. No. Next one. I draw a right angle. Right. I put in here 50 degrees. Right. This is a Y. I don't want to find the Y. How we find it? You know that Y degrees plus 50 degrees plus, right? 50 degrees plus this one, right? We already know that, right? Use this mark for the right angle. Therefore, we know that it's a 90 degrees equal 180 degrees, right? Now, second step, Y plus 50, 90, 140 degrees equal 180. Now we want to remain Y and remove the 140. Therefore, we less 140. As well as we know that we want to less 140 in this side, right? Answer is 40, right? 140 subtract 100, Y equal 40 degrees. Right? Those are the example 2 example. Another 3 example are there not, and I will solve and send a photo for you. Right? I think you will able to get some idea about the triangles, especially we want to and get your knowledge. You remember that the theory. What's the theory? The sum of interior angles in a triangles 180 degrees. according to that base, we want to solve this type of question. So, right? Next day we want to go to another topic, but you want to do work 12.1 exercise. You can do the 12.1 exercise and you can send through the WhatsApp to me. And if you have any misunderstanding, if you have any not understandable area, you can ask from me, right? So I think that enough to first session, right? Next day I hope immediately you will complete the exercise, right? It is good puta because of we can go step by step. I can understand also you are got to did you got to not the my explain teaching. So I will now shall we complete our session to today. Thank you for your good luck.